Everyone talks about making $100 a day with AI, but I wanted to test something real, so I challenged myself to make just my first $1 using AI. No experience, no audience, nothing, just AI and an idea. So here's exactly what happened. I started with the simplest approach I could find. Instead of overthinking, I used AI tools like ChatGPT to generate ideas and basic content. Nothing fancy, just simple, beginner level stuff that anyone can do. Then I picked one idea and decided to actually take action. Because honestly, watching videos won't make money, doing something will. So I created a basic piece of content using AI. No expensive setup, no professional editing, just AI helping me create something useful. Then I uploaded it online and waited. And this is where things got interesting. At first, nothing happened. Zero views, zero clicks, no engagement at all. And I almost thought, maybe this doesn't work. But instead of quitting, I gave it a little more time. Because every successful person says the same thing: consistency matters. Then suddenly, something changed. One of my posts started getting a little attention. Not viral, not crazy numbers, but enough to give me hope. And then it happened. I made my first $1 online using AI. Just $1. But that $1 meant everything, because it proved one thing: this actually works. Most people fail not because AI doesn't work, but because they quit too early. They expect instant results. But the real game is simple: take action, stay consistent, and improve step by step. Now, I'm not stopping here. If I can make $1, I can make $10, and maybe even $100. So in the next video, I'm going to try turning this $1 into $10 using AI. If you want to see that, make sure to subscribe, and let's grow together.